Hey, welcome back to the channel. We are back with another rack store pickup. And today I was able to find a fragrance, a new fragrance, brand new designer fragrance from my local Burlington. This one really surprised me because I have heard no talk about this one. No hype, really nothing. Crickets. Scent I am talking about is Lacoste L1212 Blanc Intense. So I don't know. This is 100 ml. I paid $42.99 for it. Now, I didn't price check and see what other places are selling it for. So what I'll do, as I always do with my first impressions rack store pickups, is try it on strip and then put it on skin, see how much it changes, and let you guys know ultimately if this one is worth your time and money. There was a few at Burlington, so you guys might start seeing these pop up. Let's get right into it. Really quickly, guys, I just want to thank everyone for all the kind words, all the positivity that was left in my last video. If you guys have not watched that video, be sure to go check it out. I was overwhelmed with the amount of positive feedback from you guys. So thank you so much. I'm still working my way through all the comments, but I will respond to your comment. I just want to thank you again for all the support. Thank you guys. And I want to give a shout out to my subscriber, John, who came up to me. He recognized me in Burlington as I was picking up this fragrance. So shout out to John. Hopefully you were able to grab something yourself. But this one, again, I hadn't heard of. This is typical of the Lacoste, this type of, from this particular line of Lacoste, the L1212 line. However, this is a much different bottle. You have this, this sort of raised texture on the back. And then the bottle is see-through, but it's also this sort of teal color. So yeah, it's pretty cool. And then you got your little gator there, or your croc, whatever it is, the Lacoste logo. So let's check out the atomizer. Okay, atomizer, nothing, kind of just spits it out. So I'm excited to try this. I'm a fan of L1212. I have it in my collection. But that came out a while back. I want to say 2010, around there or so. Okay, so sweetness, it's aromatic, it's a little fresh. It's nice. It's not bad. I'm not getting a lot of similarities to the original L1212. Picking up a lavender note, pretty heavy lavender note. But then it also has that clean, warm shower jelly vibe to it. I might be picking up a bit more of that original here. Slightly spicy. It's an airy spice. It's nothing heavy or really well balanced off of the strip. The initial sweetness here fades pretty quickly, and then now it's more of a citrus sweetness. May have something like a mandarin orange in here. My favorite citrus top note is mandarin orange. And I'm picking up a little bit of that here, maybe a grapefruit, something along those lines. Clean, fresh, aromatic, a little peppery, warmth, which I love. I love that warmth along with that freshness. It just works beautifully together. Yeah, my initial impression off of the strip, it's really nice. Well balanced, doesn't smell synthetic. I'd be really curious to see what this does on skin. I'm going to take a look at the notes really quickly, let you guys know what's in here, put some on skin and see how much it changes. Not bad. So the notes for Lacoste L1212 Blanc Eau Intense. Top notes are mandarin orange and turmeric. Mid notes are cardamom, lavender, and clary sage. And the base notes are sandalwood, leather, and vetiver. So yeah, as I said, I picked up that mandarin orange. I love it. I love mandarin orange. I think it's it still lends itself to a citrus opening while adding some really nice, well-balanced sweetness. And that's what I get here. I love it. I like it more than bergamot. I like it more than lemon. Not that I don't like those notes. I love those notes, but mandarin orange, if I were to create my first fragrance, I would probably have mandarin orange somewhere in there. So let's see what this does on skin. Wow, heavy mandarin orange. Immediately I pick it up. It's almost a slight candied mandarin orange. And I'm also picking up more of that original L1212. It's reminding me a bit of something. Another designer, but I can't quite put my finger on it. Really nice. More spicy as well off of my skin. A little syrupy almost in that opening because of that mandarin orange. It's very concentrated, and that lavender comes in, sort of rounds it out, makes it feel a little more smooth and masculine feeling. It kind of has that sort of classic, clean, aromatic, warm shower gel vibe. It's pretty safe. This would be a totally safe blind buy. That clary sage is adding those aromatics. Funny enough, it's reminding me slightly of YSL's YO Fresh, but take the ginger out. The turmeric here, I'm not picking up that per se, just not getting it off of the skin. But overall, what I am getting is a very clean, fresh, slightly warm, aromatic, sweet, a little spicy men's scent through and through. Nothing to sort of write home about, for lack of a better expression. It doesn't have that oomph to it, but it's nice. Now, with O Intense being in the name, I guess you would anticipate better longevity, better projection. I'm not picking up a ton of the OG here. It's there slightly, but I'm being reminded of other things before I'm reminded of the OG. Yeah, I'm gonna wear this today. I'm not wearing anything. As always, I'm gonna let you guys know in my weekly wears video, which drops every single Monday. So if you're not subscribed, subscribe to the channel. I go over all the fragrances I wore for the week prior, and I'll let you guys know what type of performance I get from this. First impressions, knee-jerk reaction. I think it's probably gonna have sort of a moderate longevity. Projections, nothing crazy right now. Just a super clean smelling scent, really easygoing, casual, office safe, that type of thing. Would not wear this out in the evening. That's just, again, my first impressions of it. But overall, I think it's a nice scent. I love the opening. That mandarin orange grabs you right away. Yeah, I'd love to know you guys' thoughts on this one. Let me know in the comment section down below if you've tried it. As I said, I had never even heard of this one. So let me know what you guys think of this one. It is available at Burlington. It's popping up there. So if you like what you saw today, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, share this video, hit that bell notification so you are updated whenever I upload new content. But until then, have a fantastic day, and I'll see you in the next video.